Hi everybody, this is B, and today I'm doing another haul from GameStop. I know it wasn't too long I did another haul, but I had to get more. And I mean more t-shirts. Unfortunately, I didn't have much stuff when it comes to the clearance, like the items with the t-shirt like they did last time, but that's okay. I'll take the t-shirts any day. This one is from the Fantastic Beasts. And it's this one. See, there's the F and then there's the A. So, pretty much awesomeness. Then the next one is another Pikachu. Pikachu. He's an angry Pikachu, and I think that's Pikachu in Japanese as well. Or Pika or something like that. I don't know. I just know it's Japanese. Next shirt I got is Caution Makes Frequent Stops. Okay, let me do these other shirts because I didn't think I got them very good. It's amazing what you find in clearance. Okay, the next shirt is like a tie-dye hat, and it says Pokemon Trainer. Because goodness sakes, I need more Pokemon shirts. Right, it's kind of too many, right? Then another Pokemon shirt. Fighting, right. Then I got G.I. Joe shirts, which seemed like the only one they had in this size. It says Support troops, a real American hero. And I don't know if you can see, you probably can't see because of the camera and the poor lighting, but it's got G.I. Joe characters in like a light trace blue. That's why some of the lettering's cut off. I don't know if you can see it. Well, I can faintly see it. There you go. There's some of them. I don't know who's all in it, but there's a woman and a couple other men, and I mean, it's a shame you can't fully see them, but okay, I see some. There we go. You might not be able to see it 100% good, but you can just get the picture of that there's people on there. But that's it for this haul. Sorry, it's very, very short video. It was a very small haul. So, yeah, there's not much stuff to it. So, yep, I just want to make sure, I had to look to make sure I didn't, if there's something magically not pulled out from the bag. But anyway, thank you for tuning in to this GameStop haul, and hope to see you guys soon in other videos. And you can also follow me on other social medias, which will be in the description box. And thank you for tuning in. Have a blessed day.